What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I have a brand new video, and this one is about a big update or changes to the Mobox platform here. And they've announced it on their announce button / notice. And here, if you were to click here, you can see there is already a bunch of changes which I've already listed, and also that the price went up, you can see, and the daily rewards and all of that. I've explained that in my last video. Check that out on my YouTube channel right now. So here we have a big update notice here and major adjustment to the Mobox platform announcement, they say. And so this is just a little thank you, they'd say. And then so their first update or upgrade they're listing here is depositing funds into all crates except for MBOX to BNB, and staking of MBOX will be halted. Withdrawal fees from these crates will be removed. So there is no withdrawal fee basically from those crates. So you know how, let me show you right here. So when you go and withdraw here, first when you deposit, they say you have a withdrawal fee right here, you can see. So function unavailable, view announcements. So I think they're on the update, they're doing the update right now, and they're gonna remove this withdrawal fee right here. So whenever you want to withdraw your staked amount, you don't have to pay a single dollar or anything. And then here we go, second announcement, MBOX transfer function will be halted, so you cannot transfer MBOX. And then on the August 31st, so this is not today, these two changes are gonna happen today. And then on 31st, MBOX airdrops to these crates will be halted, and only MBOX to BNB airdrops will continue. At the same time, the output of MBOX in the crate section will be reduced. And then for the first, August 31st also, all addresses with MBOX obtained by staking in the affected crates can be transferred to MBOX to BNB pool. Team MBOX will take out a portion of tokens from the team allocation to compensate users who are affected by the adjustment. So if you're losing any MBOX or it's affecting you in some negative way, they're actually gonna help you out with the tokenomics, where they'll take in a percentage of their team earnings and they would compensate and give it to the people who are in loss from the MBOX. The actual portion will be announced once the adjustments are completed. After the transfer of MBOX, Moboxers can still enjoy all MBOX benefits. So it doesn't mean that when you're boosting with a MBOX, that doesn't actually go away. It's still gonna be with you, and you're not actually like losing it, or you're not losing your multiplier or anything that is worrying. And then here on the 5th announcement, add 20 groups of epic quality momos. We will also be launching NFT creator soon, where users can vote which momo can be added to the platform using MBOX. So that's also a really big update, and it sounds pretty cool. If you have assets staked in the mentioned halted crates, please withdraw them in a timely manner. So if you have any assets staked or anything, withdraw them now before these massive updates take change. And so this is another thank you right here. So that is pretty cool. This is a pretty big update in my opinion, one of the biggest that I can tell you. And it mostly takes effect on the staking type. So all these pools, well, the biggest pool here, the MBOX to BNB pool, won't really be affected right here. But all of these other pools that you're seeing right here might be affected in some way, from MBOX to withdrawal fees to any of those that they've listed. And so you can reread them, you can go read them yourselves, or you can rewind the video where I was reading them for you and explaining them. And yeah, so these are the big updates taking change right now. And so the key price is also really high right now. It's at $200. It went a little higher. It's also, the MBOX price is pretty high. I think it's still gonna go higher. So I'd hold if I were you guys, but if you don't want to hold, that's all on you. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. This was an update video, so if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'll see you guys later.